Hey guys, this is Natalie here at Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what we have here is a Chrysler Pacifica key fob. We're going to show you how to open this key fob to get to the battery, so when you need to replace it. This is what the key fob looks like. You will not be prying the key fob where the buttons show, so don't pry this way. First, you remove the key and you start prying along this Chrysler logo side. So pretty much all the way around so you don't break it. And there's the battery. This battery is a CR2032 3V battery. There's a little arrow here. You stick the flathead in and your battery pops out. Once you're done, grab your new battery, positive side up, install it, and you're all set. Well, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts. If you're interested in buying the part from us, click the links below for our eBay and Amazon stores, and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. I will put the battery part number in our description. So yeah, thanks for watching.